Hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching my February favorites video. In this video we're going to be talking about all the products that I've been loving this month, as well as unboxing a Colourpop package that I just received in the mail and some other fun things. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So my first February favorite happens to be the Portuguese Vogue. I just got this in from my dad returning from Portugal. It honestly gives me the opportunity to practice my Portuguese, and I really enjoy looking at the kind of editorials that they're creating over there. They have such beautiful shots. Maybe Portugal Vogue one day, give me a call. I'll be on your cover. We can be friends. Who knows? And my book of the month is Amy's Song, and if you watch YouTube, you know her as Song of Style. Her book, World of Style. This book has inspired me to get back into blogging and create more lifestyle genre posts, because not only does the book detail pretty much everywhere she's been, but she's so well traveled and she's so well dressed everywhere she goes, and I feel like that's the kind of content that I like to see just on Instagram itself, but when people create it into like a tangible book form, it brings everything to life, and I absolutely loved reading this book this month. Beauty product favorite of the month is the Ordinary Serum Foundation. I just started using this to kind of lighten up a lot of my products that were too dark for my face, and then I eventually started using it on its own. It's very moisturizing, it doesn't set into all of my lines, and as you can see, it looks incredibly sheer and natural on the skin. So if you're looking at buying it, check it out. My second beauty product is the Glossier Mint Balm.com. I just was looking for a new chapstick, and I was really excited to try this because I felt like it was like a cult product of Glossier's, and it definitely didn't disappoint. Just this has really saved my lips during the winter time, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Another beauty product is the Burt's Bees Rejuvenating Eye Masks. I picked this up towards the end of February. My first time ever trying eye patches, by the way. I felt like these would do wonders on my skin, and my under eyes feel incredibly moisturized. It really helps keep my under eyes very plump and very moist. My next February favorite happens to be from the company Majuri. They make incredibly, just so unique, gorgeous jewelry that I've seen absolutely everywhere. They've sent me a few products before, and they just sent me these earrings from their Organic Pearl collection. They have amplified the gold hoop into something much more fancy, and I absolutely love dressing up my like casual weekend outfits with these. Now we're going to be moving into my favorites of the month that aren't beauty products. The first thing I'm going to start with is music. Ariana Grande's Thank You Next album was pretty much all I listened to in February. Thank You Next just is a whole other side of her, a whole other side to the Sweetener album, and my favorite songs off of it are Bad Idea. I love Break Up With Your Girlfriend, I'm Bored, because it's just like a fun little NSYNC sampled song, and In My Head. So for TV shows this month, I have just started Game of Thrones. I've done 4 seasons in less than 2 weeks. I'm on season 5 now. And at first I didn't quite understand the hype. I was like, why is everybody so hyped up with this show? I get it now. I absolutely get it now. I've been sucked in. I'm addicted. I'm so sad that there's only 1 season left and it's coming in April, but I have a few more seasons to watch, and then every other show that I've neglected because of my Game of Thrones binge, I'll jump back into them, and then maybe you'll see some new favorites in March. So my favorite podcast of the month is the Breaking Beauty podcast. I'm not going to say addiction. I'm just going to say that I obviously have a really intense love for beauty products and the stories behind them, and I haven't quite yet found a podcast that really dives into that, except for Breaking Beauty's podcast. It's so interesting. They've interviewed all of my favorite creators, and by creators I mean makeup creators and even YouTubers as well, but they've brought the beauty platform onto podcasts rather than just keeping it on YouTube or in blogs. You can finally talk about it and just interview important people, and I've just been really listening to them all of February, getting to know the people behind some of my favorite brands, and they are a Canadian-based podcast, so if you're interested in checking them out, I'll link them below. A few of my favorite YouTube videos this month have been Desi Perkins organizing and cleaning up with her this month. I just love videos like that where people are just sorting through their makeup and cleaning everything out. I will link that below as one of my favorite videos, as well as Olivia Jade's New York Fashion Week vlogs. I'm a very big fan of hers. I've been watching her for a year now. And now we're going to get into my Colourpop unboxing for the month. So I wanted to show you guys everything that I got, and let's get into it. So the first two lipsticks that I picked up were the Blur Luxe lipsticks. They had just launched. I got the shades CA Love and Mesmerize. Both two very different colors. One's sort of a brownish color, the other one is a dusty rose. So this is CA Love. It is a swatch it for you. This is the Mesmerize shade. This is a bit of a dusty rose. These are the liquid lipsticks from Colourpop, the blotted lip, the satin lip, and two matte lips. So now I'm going to swatch them so you guys can see what they look like. I'm gonna try more of these because honestly I really like them. And this is my favorite shade of the whole bunch. This is Calypso in the Ultra Satin Lip. I feel like the Ultra Satin Lip is perfect for me, like not too drying, very moist, and very, like, it fills your lips, you know what I mean? It's just very plump. And this is the Super Shock Shadow in Lunch Money that I've been dying to try per Namvo, the makeup glowy dewy dumpling god. Per her request on her blog, this is exactly what I needed to try out. I don't use a brush, I use my fingers when I apply this because it is so creamy and so silky. Also, my arms are like all messed up from swatching. I'm so sorry. But yeah, this is everything that was in my February favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!